Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove participants from meetings in Microsoft Teams. If you're hosting or managing a meeting in Microsoft Teams, there may be times when you need to remove someone from the session. This can be helpful if the wrong person joined, if someone is causing a distraction, or if you simply need to manage the meeting more closely. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to do that from inside an active Teams meeting. Start by opening your Microsoft Teams meeting so you're inside the live meeting window. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the top area of the screen for the meeting controls. These controls give you access to tools like chat, camera settings, and the participant list. Next, click on the People option at the top. This opens the participant panel, where you can see everyone who is currently in the meeting. This panel is where you'll manage attendees, so take a moment to make sure you can clearly see the list of names. From there, move your mouse over the participant you want to remove. Hovering over their name will usually reveal additional controls or options related to that person. Be careful to select the correct participant before moving on, especially if several people have similar display names. Once you're hovering over the right participant, click the three-dot menu next to their name. This menu opens more actions you can take for that attendee. In Microsoft Teams, the three dots often contain administrative options, so this is where you'll usually go when you need to manage someone in a meeting. After the menu appears, click Remove from Meeting. As soon as you do that, the selected participant will be removed from the meeting session. If you're the organizer or have the right permissions, the change should happen immediately. A quick tip: before removing someone, make sure you truly want to take them out of the meeting, since this action can interrupt their participation. If needed, you can also let participants know in advance about meeting rules and expectations to avoid confusion. And that's all there is to it. By opening the People panel, hovering over the participant using the three-dot menu, and selecting Remove from Meeting, you can quickly manage attendance in Microsoft Teams and keep your meeting running smoothly.